Hi friends, in this video I will tell you how we retail investors are exploited by the large fund houses, investors and financial influencers to their advantage and make us suffer huge losses in the stock market. Because we investors, retail investors, we don't know what is the right entry point for a particular stock. We don't know when to sell or exit that particular stock. We rely on information from a lot of people or public domain sources, and knowing this, these large fund houses manipulate the market to their benefit. I'll take one example and tell you how this all works. Okay, let us say a big fund house or a huge investor has invested 80 crore rupees and bought 1 lakh share of a particular company at 800 rupees a share. Now let us assume the stock has reached 1000 rupees a share. That's already 25% profit. Now the fund house thinks that it's not going to go up any further and better to sell it off and book profit. If they sell it as it is, they will only get 20-25%. So they try to manipulate the market, they manipulate the push the price upward so that they can get better return. So this is what they will do. They will catch hold of several influencers, pay them money to promote this stock. Okay, these influencers charge anything between 5,000 rupees to few lakh rupees depending on how many followers they have, how much influence they have. And once you pay them, they will find some reason to tell their followers why the stock is very good, why people should invest in this stock. There are dozens of parameters. PE ratio is there, dividend amount is there, correction from its 52-week high low is there, correct? So many parameters are there, and if you want to promote a stock, you will definitely find a couple of parameters that is positive, and these influencers find out those parameters and promote and tell their followers that now it's the right time to buy this stock and it's got a lot of upside. When hundreds of these influencers tell the same thing, we retail investors who are following these influencers think there is a truth. We also search for news about that company. These investors can afford to pay PR agencies a few lakh rupees and they will promote this company like anything. Suddenly you will see company winning some award, company CEOs attending some interviews, right? A lot of good news about the order book or something else, and we believe there is a huge potential and we end up buying that stock. So now the price keeps going up from 1000 rupees, 1100, 1200, 1250, and we think we made a huge bet, we made a very good investment. Okay, so the price goes up from 1000 rupees to 1200 to 50. This is where the large fund houses who had decided to sell it will start selling. So now they're able to sell at 1200, 1250. They already get doubling their profit from 25% earlier. Now they're able to get 50% or more profit just by spending a few lakh rupees, a few crore rupees. For example, 100 influencers, everybody is paid 50,000 rupees, that is 50 lakh rupees. Another 10 lakh rupees spent on PR. So 60 lakh rupees they have invested and they're able to get easily 20 crore rupees, 25 crore rupees more profit from the same investment. And we retail investors, we don't know when to exit. We keep waiting, hoping that it will go up to right 1,400, 1,500. That day will never come. So moment they start selling in huge quantity, the price keeps coming down. Now it will come back to 1,100, 1,050, 1,000. It will even go down all the way to 900, 800, and we panic and we sell again. And once we sell again, this is the same fund house after 3 months, they will start buying it again at a very low valuation, 750, 800 rupees, and the whole cycle will repeat after 3 months. So this is what happens in the market, and I will tell you how you can protect your interest in this matter. Step 1, don't be so greedy. If you are getting 10-20% profit in a short term, probably it's a good time to book profit and wait for the next good opportunity to buy the same stock at a much lower valuation. Option 2, you stay put for a long term. Don't panic, don't sell at a huge loss. 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, if you can wait, probably the stock will recover to a much higher value at some point of time. That's where you can sell. The other thing you have to do is keep an eye on the shareholder pattern. If a stock price is steadily going up, but the promoters or the institutional investors, fund houses, mutual funds are reducing their stake, then dal mein kuch kala hai, something is wrong in the whole ecosystem. So you have to be more alert. Third, don't blindly believe any of influencers. Don't media news. You do your own analysis. You check how much risk you can take. Right? What if everything is wrong? Things go upside down. Are you able to absorb that loss? Are you going to wait for a long time? Think about this. Then plan your investment. This is my thought. Thank you very much.